Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Goodyear credit card account online. To do so, first you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then, on the top URL box, you may go ahead and search for www.goodyear.com/en_us/offers/tire-credit-card, then press enter. This will directly take you to Goodyear credit card page. Once you're here, then you may scroll down. Before you begin your login procedure, you'll have to first make sure that you have created an account at Goodyear Credit Card before. If you haven't created an account, you will be unable to log into your account. Now, to log into an account, you can click on the Goodyear Credit Card login option right beside the Apply Now button. Once you click on that, a note pops up on your screen notifying you that you will be leaving the Goodyear.com website and will be directed to another website run by Citigroup. To proceed, you may just click on Continue. Then, a new tab opens up where you are taken to the login portal of Goodyear. Here, you'll have to enter your user ID and password. You may enter your user ID on the first text box. Then you may enter your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your user ID, you can just click on the Retrieve User ID link right below the Sign On button. And then, if you forget your password, you can just click on the Reset Password link right below the Sign On button. Once you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, you can just click on the box right below the User ID text box to make sure this website remembers your user ID. Once that is done, you can click on the Sign On button to log into your Goodyear credit card account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.